All right, hey guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, we have a couple things to go over. Definitely some really exciting news and just more things to kind of build onto the channel. So before I really get into it, as you guys know, this video is gonna be really focused on kind of unboxing and trying out this new Dragy, our Dragy tool. Now, this thing is pretty darn awesome. I got a really good deal off of Rally Sport Direct. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely something that's been really overdue, and I'm surprised it took this long to get it, but now we have a Dragy, so we'll be able to record our times and sort of see how this car performs. Today we won't be doing a launch control, but we definitely will be doing a couple takeoffs, maybe a 1 to 200 kilometer an hour. You know, it's all dependent, we'll see. But if I see 150 likes and a bunch of comments, you know, you guys, we might be seeing that launch control. But what we'll do now is we'll actually unbox this thing and see what it's all about. All right, so the box is pretty decent. I mean, as far as quality goes, it seems like it's pretty up to snuff. All right, and wow, this is a lot smaller than I expected. I've never seen one of these before, so pretty interesting. And okay, these look like probably maybe mounting points for the Dragy, but interesting, very interesting. So we also have a cord here. Yeah, I kind of still really don't understand how this works, but we'll definitely try it out, see what it's all about. Download the Dragy app and then just get connected. So pretty, it seems like it's really darn easy. All right, so I mounted up the Dragy. It's right here. I can't imagine that that's a great spot for it, but I don't know. It's the only place I could think of. If you guys actually have better ideas as to where I could put this, let me know. I know my interior is due for a clean, but yeah, this is where it's going to be for the time being. We'll have to see how this plays out. Beautiful day today. It is a bright day today. So we have, we're actually all connected. The battery on the Dragy is not looking so great, so gonna be a couple short runs. We'll see what we can do. So I have no idea as to where I'm gonna put this. I'm probably just gonna record it and then just play back I guess the video on this video, I guess, overlap. So yeah, but it's kind of cool. I mean, it's definitely seems like it's working. All right, and start to roll. Yep, it's picking up our miles per hour. It's working so far. My strategic place for putting this is ending up pretty all right. All right, so as you guys can see, we set our cruise control to 45. We're currently doing 43. Once we get that 45, I'll show you guys kind of what the Dragy is reading. But yeah, I mean, the car is registering speed pretty accurately, at least from GPS. So I know we're at lower speeds. At higher speeds, it's a different story. But yeah, I mean, it seems like it's pretty on par with where it should be. Pretty busy around here. I have no idea what's going on. That's a plant store, and I'm pretty sure it's all like outside. So these guys are troopers for yeah, going outside in 16-degree weather. Could not be me. All right, as you guys can see right up ahead, we have a little bit of a straight section. I can't find any place to like just have this car stop and not be rear-ended. So this is the best we can do. I think it's like a truck breakdown lane. I'm not too sure, but it's back in good old Durham. Good to be back. I live like so close to here anyway, so. But yeah, so I haven't necessarily figured out how like the best way to do this. I hope the Dragy still has battery. In fact, it does, which is a good thing. But I don't know how to like screen record, so like I guess I'll just try it the Apple way, where I can screen record through like its own software. But yeah, that should suffice. But guys, look at all that traffic. Oh, got a little time to wait, but it'll be worth it. Hopefully there's still battery, of course, in the Dragy. The Dragy's still chilling down there. It looks like it hasn't moved, so it's reassuring. I'm not gonna go pretty crazy. I'm gonna probably just do a 60. Looks like we're good to go. I guess maybe I'll just film myself and just show the Dragy, because you'll see the speed anyway. But all right, let's do it. No launch control. Remember, we'll do launch control probably in a future video. And yeah, let's get into it. awesome run. That was probably a pretty decent time too. We'll have to definitely check out the what the screen recording says, but it felt pretty strong. Car's very confident in the power. It doesn't really stutter. It's loving this tune, I'll tell you that. This TCU tune paired with the ECU tune is like the most harmonious thing ever. It's it really does work well together. So kind of something that I like to talk about, like with like my friends when I'm ever driving with them, is I tell them, you know, when I put the car in sport auto, it gives this vehicle like a slingshot effect where it already obviously pre-selects the gear for you, but it just kind of really revs it out, and it does do a good job at finding the right gear. I mean, I've been in plenty of cars that have really tricky and, you know, clever transmissions, and this DSG is solid. Its 7-speed's a really good DSG. It's been so good to me. You know, I hope it stays that way. Hope it's pretty reliable. I'm at 28,000 miles and counting, so it's pretty low miles still, but it's always nice to have a reliable car, you know. But yeah, no, I'm loving this thing. It's great. The power delivery is awesome, and this is for sure going to be the quick car in the garage, for sure. But yeah, loving the Dragy. Definitely recommend you guys checking out a Dragy. It's well worth it. It'd be interesting to kind of see what my times were. We'll obviously include sort of that all that information in the video so you guys can see it. But yeah, loving it. Highly recommend checking one out. I'll have one listed in the description below. We'll catch you guys in the next one. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.